Have you ever found yourself confused while diving into UI Collection View tutorials? You're not alone. Today, we're going to clarify the difference between UICollectionViewCell and UICollectionReusableView so you can choose the right one for your projects. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when the documentation doesn't clearly explain when to use one over the other. Many developers have faced this dilemma, and it can lead to some head-scratching moments. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, why do some tutorials subclass UICollectionViewCell while others subclass UICollectionReusableView? This is a great question and one that many developers encounter. So what's the difference? UICollectionViewCell is used for the individual items in your collection view, while UICollectionReusableView is typically used for headers and footers. Understanding this distinction is crucial for effective layout management. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you optimize your collection views for better performance. To understand the difference between UICollectionViewCell and UICollectionReusableView, the user should first recognize that UICollectionViewCell is used for displaying individual items in a collection view. Next, the user should note that UICollectionReusableView is typically used for supplementary views, such as headers and footers. This allows for more flexible layouts. When implementing these views, the user should subclass UICollectionViewCell for each item they want to display, while subclassing UICollectionReusableView for any reusable views like section headers. Finally, the user should remember that both classes can be customized with their own properties and methods, allowing for tailored functionality based on the needs of the application. Fun fact, did you know that the UI Collection View was introduced in iOS 6? It revolutionized how we display collections of data in a grid format. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that Apple recommends using UICollectionViewCell for both cells and supplementary views. They explain that this approach allows you to take advantage of useful features like the background view. They note that UICollectionReusableView is simply for making views reusable, and there isn't a significant distinction between the two beyond their superclass-subclass relationship. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always consider the purpose of your view. If it's an item, go with UICollectionViewCell. If it's a header or footer, use UICollectionReusableView. This will keep your code clean and efficient. And there you have it. Now you know the difference between UICollectionViewCell and UICollectionReusableView. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on iOS development.